I'm Ashley, and I'm the project manager for Texas Tech University's letterpress laboratory. And today we're going to be doing the casting off, layout, and imposition for my graduation announcement. So when I went to the craft store to pick up a card that I wanted to print on, I chose a regular 5x7 inch card. So 5 by 7 inches, and that's the card. A printer doesn't measure in inches, though they measure in picas, and 1 inch equals 6 picas. So we need to figure out how many picas are in 5 by 7 inches, so we do the math and we find out that it's 30 by 42 picas. So now we're going to move on to the layout stage. In the top half we're going to be using a portion of a poem by Wordsworth. I'm using this just because William Wordsworth is one of my favorite poets, so I'm going to go ahead and start writing it. Now that we have our copy text, we're going to go ahead and figure out the physical appearance of what that printed material will look like once printed. We're going to be noting things like the typefaces and the sizes, as well as the spaces between lines and the margins of the text. So I'm going to first note the typefaces. So all of this is Lydian, bold, 12 point. My name is going to be the largest thing on the page, so it's going to be 24 point, Lydian bold. The next important thing, it's going to be 18 point, Lydian bold. And the announcement information is 18 point, Lydian medium. So then we're going to go ahead and figure out the spacing between lines. I don't want that much space between lines, so all of the spaces besides one of the lines will be half of a pica. This one will be 3/4 of a pica. And the space between this is 1.5 picas. So we also need to figure out the margins. So the margins, I want each text block to be centered exactly on the page. So that means that the distance between here and here and here and here need to be equal, even though they don't look like it on this demonstration. So this text box is smaller than this one, so the spaces here to fill in are going to be larger. So the margins on the top and the bottom for this will be 6.25 picas. And the margins here will be 2 picas each. And the sides, we're using 27 pica leads on the sides of these, or for each line. And as we figured out over here, the width is 30 picas, so that means that there are going to be 3. So each side margin will be 1.5 picas for each half of the page. So now that we've completed the layout, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next video where we'll be building this into a form to be printed.